In this video, we will show you how to replace your master window switch on this Honda Civic. This will be mounted inside of your driver's side door panel. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. To do this, we'll be using a plastic trim tool. Carefully get underneath this trim panel along the back side here and gently start prying it up. While you do so, we're also going to pull this rearward because along the front there's a small hook that goes underneath the door panel. Now we can start disconnecting the wiring harnesses. The larger one has a small locking tab right here where my index finger is. We'll squeeze that in and disconnect the wiring harness. A quick check for corrosion and set that aside. We'll move along to the smaller wire connector. Once again, you have a small locking tab. Use your finger or a small screwdriver and gently push that in. A quick check for corrosion and we can set that aside as well. Now looking at the back side of this, you can tell that you have several Phillips head screws holding it in place. Remove all 4 of them. Take hold of that switch, give it a little wiggle, and remove it from the trim panel. There it is, friends. All right, now it's time to install that brand new window switch. Let's take this and put it in position along the back side of that trim panel, making sure that we align all 4 of our mounting screw holes. With those aligned, we can start in each of the 4 mounting screws. After they're started, snug them up. Now we can reattach our wiring harnesses. As you press them in, listen for a click and then double check that they are secured properly. Now we can continue on with putting the trim panel back in place. Keep in mind it does have that hook along the front. You want to scoop it underneath the door panel and then start rolling this down into the locked position. Double check to make sure it's secure all the way around. Once you've done that, go ahead and test the switch functionality. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.